Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into a fundamental and critical step in data preparation, efficiently removing null values in Power BI using the Power Query editor. Dealing with missing data, represented by nulls, is non-negotiable. Leaving them in can critically skew your aggregated metrics. Think averages, counts, and sums, leading to potentially flawed business decisions. Our goal is to achieve total data integrity before visualization. Step 1. Accessing Power Query and locating nulls. First, we start in Power BI Desktop. Navigate to the Home tab and click Transform Data to launch the robust Power Query editor. This is where all the heavy lifting happens. For this demonstration, we'll focus on your primary data table. Specifically, we're going to locate the product column. A quick visual inspection reveals that the product column contains your valid entries, the actual names of your products, but also those problematic null values. Remember, a null value here is a marker, indicating that the specific product identifier for that row was either never recorded during data entry, was lost during an ETL process, or is simply undefined. The critical step, uncheck the box next to null. By unchecking it, you are issuing a direct instruction to Power Query to remove every single row from the table where the value in the product field is missing or unknown. Click OK to immediately execute the filter. Step 3. Verifying data integrity and applying changes. As soon as you click OK, the preview window updates instantly. The entire row count has been reduced, and the product column now exclusively contains valid product names. Take a look at the Applied Steps pane on the right. A new step named Filtered Rows has been added, permanently documenting your data cleansing action. This simple, controlled filtering process ensures that the remaining records are fully usable and complete, providing a reliable foundation for all your subsequent aggregations and visualizations. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.